Hello guys, welcome back, and this is my let me see. Yep, this week I'm going to teach two topics. First topics, it's personal. It's about Css3 transforms. It's a personal topic, but I will post that in the group. So for the group meeting teaching, the second topic I have to teach this week, it's about manipulating CSS class properties using JavaScript. So, but this video is going to be about the first one, the CSS3 Transform without custom libraries. Okay, as you know, my name is Woody Gavin, and this is for the CIT 261 class. What is the CSS3 transforms? It's we are going to show how to design, define, and triggering CSS3 transform without custom libraries. So, how to use transforms? There are two categories of transforms. We have the 2D transforms and the 3D transforms. And the 3D transforms are more widely supported, and the 3D transforms are only in the newer versions. So the 3D and the CSS transform are similar to the 2D. So we have the basic properties here. We translate it like 3D, translate 3D, scale 3D, rotate X, rotate Y, etc. We have to take three arguments for X, Y, and Z, whereas the rotate is just taking an angle. This is the syntax, how to write the code for the CSS transform. So this is the sources that I use. And guys, thank you for watching, but the video is not finished yet. I'm going to go to my GitHub repo. Let's type my name, rudirame1.github.io. Click enter and you will see the welcome page. So you can click on this link to go to the topics link, or you can go on this link. They both are going to the topics link. Okay, so as I say, this is for the topics transform, CSS3 transform. Click on the link, and here it's this is what I did for the CSS3 transforms. So when I hover the bug, as you can see, it's transformed. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and see you on the discussion board. Thank you.